Hello guys, how are you? So welcome back to this course. In this lesson, we shall study about the blood groups. This course is presented by me, Navneet Sharma. You can know more about me from here. You can follow me on this link. And if you like the lesson, kindly rate, review and recommend. Now, first of all, we study the blood groups and their role in inheritance. Karl Landsteiner in 1900 observed different types of blood groups in men. The chief blood groups in men are A, B, AB, and O. Besides these blood groups of men, 82 human blood groups phenol types have been discovered from 1900 to 1965 by different scientists. Extensive studies have shown that there are two types of substances in blood known as antigens or agglutinogens and antibodies or agglutinins. Now, antigens are designated by English alphabets A and B. The antigens are present in erythrocytes, that is the RBCs, and antibodies in the blood plasma. Usually, if a person is an antigen, uh, his erythrocyte has his plasma has natural antibodies against the other antigen. Okay, for example, a person having antigen A in the erythrocyte has antibody B in the plasma. Recent chemical investigation revealed that antigens A and B are not proteins, but they are mucopolysaccharides that are sugars plus amino acids. Now, depending upon the presence and absence of antigens and antibodies, the following four blood groups have been differentiated, that are A, B, AB, and O. Okay. So A means having A antigen, which makes anti-B body. B means having B antigen, having anti-A body antibody. AB means antigen A and B, no anti or no anti-B bodies. O means having no antigen, anti-A and anti-B antibodies both are present. Now the possible effects of transfusion of blood, okay, from donors to the recipients. The donor blood group can be O. If it is O, the recipient agglutins the blood of not O nor A nor B nor AB, so it can be given to all, that is O, A, B and AB, and it can receive blood from only O. Okay, so it is the universal donor. Now, A blood group, it agglutins the blood of O and B, and it does not agglutins the blood of A and AB. So thus it can be given to A and AB blood group, and it can receive blood from O and A only. Now the B1, it agglutins the blood group of blood of O and A, and it can be thus given to B and AB. It can receive blood from O and B. Now AB, it agglutins the blood group of O, A and B all, and thus it can be given only to the AB having A blood group, and it can receive blood from O, A, B and AB. So it is a universal recipient. Okay. Next we have the person of O group can give blood to all, but it can receive only from his own group, hence these persons are known as universal blood donors. The O blood group lacking antigens and not clumped by the serum of any blood group. AB blood group does not cause the clumping of corpuscles of any group, hence these persons can receive blood from persons of all blood groups, so they are known as universal recipients, but can donate blood to the persons of their own group only. The term universal donor and universal recipient are no longer actually applicable after the discovery of Rho factor, that is Rh factor, that explains the positivity and negativity. In 1925, Bernstein discovered that inheritance of different blood groups in men is determined by a number of multiple allelic series. These are the alleles concerned with determination of blood groups of any person. The blood groups and genotypes of parents and offsprings are given below. Group A can be of positive type. Group A can be of A or positive type or positive A type, and blood group B can be BB type or positive B type. Group B can be of AB can be of AB type. For convenience, group O is regarded as normal, and alleles A and B are said to represent the two dominant mutations which are present on the same locus. These represent co-dominant alleles. The given table shows the result of crosses between individuals of different genotypes. Okay, so this is a very important table. You should carefully understand and thoroughly examine this table. These are the blood groups and genotypes of parents and offsprings. Now this is the S number. This is of parents blood group and genotype of their blood group. Now offspring blood group having a phenotype and genotype. Okay, so when the parent has a phenotype OO, it can have genotype plus plus cross plus plus. So the offspring blood group phenotype will also be O and genotype will be plus plus only. When both the parents have O and A phenotypic blood, the genotype can be plus plus AA or plus 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 A. Okay, so the offspring blood group can be A or O and A. Okay, so the genotypes can be plus A in the case of A and plus plus or plus A in the case of OA. So in the case of O and B genotype of the phenotype of the parents, the genotype can be plus plus and capital B and plus plus or plus B. So similarly the phenotype of the offspring can be B and O and B, and genotype can be B positive in the case of B and positive O positive in the case of O, and in case of B it can be B positive only. Now in the case of O and AB, the genotype can be positive and AB. Now the offspring blood group can be A or B or AB, so the genotype can be A positive or B positive. Then we have the blood group of phenotype of parents of A. Here the genotype could be AA or A positive or A across A positive. Okay, so the phenotypes could be A here and A and O here, and in this case only A, and the genotype in this case thus can be A in case of this. In this case it can be A positive or O positive, and A in this case and A positive. Okay. Similarly, we have when the blood group phenotype of parents is AB. The genotypes, these can be genotypes in which AB or AB positive, A positive B, or A positive B positive. So the offspring blood group phenotype can be AB, A or AB in this case, and B or AB in this case, and AB or O in this case. So the genotypes can be AB, A positive AB, B positive AB, or A positive, B positive, A positive, or O. Or in case of A into AB phenotype of the parent, the genotype can be of these two types, AA and AB, and this one A positive and AB. So the offspring blood group can be AAB or AB type, and the genotype can be AAAB or AB positive or AB type. Similarly here also it is the same, it is approximately same case. You can have a look at that also. So I hope you guys like the lesson. Thank you guys for watching. Keep learning.